birthday to you.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. And how are you guys doing? Thank you for clicking on this video, and if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. Please remember to subscribe, click the like button and leave a comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate and love you all. So guys, today is Friday is always a movie night in my house, but sometimes it doesn't go as planned. So today we are expecting some visitors today. We're expecting some of our friends this evening. And guys, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of people in my vlog. It's summer. You guys know Canada is very cold. And whenever it's summer like this and we all have fun, we go visiting and all of that. So you're going to be seeing a lot of people in my vlogs. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy seeing new faces. So guys, I'm outside on the deck and my neighbor got me some peppers. So we got chatting last week. We were chatting sometimes during the week, and I thought I was going to, because she has a lot of plants and I was admiring it. So I thought I was going to go to get some peppers. I actually need habanero, and she went out and she got me these two peppers. This is pepper, this is jalapeno. I know this is usually green pepper, like it comes out when it's ripe, it's still green, but it's spicy, I believe so, and it has a nice aroma. I've bought it before. And she also bought me this is, I don't know the pronunciation, it's Apache. I don't know if that's, yeah, Apache or something. So but it's looking like the long spicy one, so I'll be happy if that's actually it. And this is the one I got. I need to water my plant. This is the other pepper I got, and I asked her where I can get soy. She told me where I can get soy, so I'm gonna go ahead and, not today, I'll be buying soy and pots so I can transfer them. And I'm actually praying that this pepper comes out nice. AJ, let's go. I need to get AJ's hair losing and mask it.
I already started. I don't want my head. I don't want my mama to do it. It hurts me.
Yeah, she doesn't want me to take off her braid. She wants to do it herself, but she's trying.
Yes, and you can see I look ugly.
You look ugly.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Morning. My voice is Saturday morning, guys, and I don't want to really talk loud. I hope you guys will be hearing me though. And it's Saturday morning. I mentioned last night that AJ needs to get her hair done, right? So it took us time before our friends left. I cleaned the whole house. Myself and Obi cleaned the house with the kids, and we came upstairs to make her hair. So to loosen the braid. I took it out, I washed it, and also masked her hair with egg, avocado, banana, coconut oil. I think that's all. I also maxed my hair as well. and it actually worked, guys. And the thing, it's soft. Excuse me. And it's soft. Normally my hair will be so hard now, but I think there's not enough oil in there. Though it's oily, it's oily, it's not bad, but I think there's not enough oil. There's not enough. We have a better party this afternoon, so I'll take you guys along. Hey guys, so I'm about to make up now, and I have this new foundation from NARS, so I thought I should share it with you guys. I got it in medium dark, Marco 6625. So I couldn't test this in the store because of COVID, but I can actually return it if it doesn't suit my face. So I'm hoping this will suit me. I already primed my face, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the foundation, but I won't be doing the full makeup because of time. Okay, I think that's good. Wow. I'll be so happy if this suits me, then I won't have to bother getting foundation from Nigeria. I'll be so happy. Just a little, Temi. So guys, the foundation actually suits me. I love it. Like, I can hardly tell between my face and my neck. For me, probably is the camera that is fooling me, but what I'm seeing, I think it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead right now to finish up my makeup, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done making up. So guys, I'm done making up, and I really love the foundation on my face. It really suits me, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm done, so I'm just going to go downstairs and put on my sneakers, go pick my daughter. So they just finished making the hair, and the birthday is supposed to start for 2. So guys, this is the outfit of the day. Let us not do Auntie Agbaya. It's a 7-year-old baby girl birthday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my
channel. She's even posting. Hey! It's video. All of you are going on YouTube. Oh my God. Halifax family. Hey baby, you so cute.
Is it? Okay, yeah.
It's videoing.
Hi, mother of the celebrant.
This is the mother of the celebrant. She's a very good friend. She's very wonderful, very nice. Hi, Aure. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
How are you feeling about your birthday today?
Yesterday was my birthday and today I'm really excited.
Oh, really?
Because I got lots of gifts.
Oh my God. That's good to know. Are you excited to have all your friends around here?
Yes.
Did you choose this park?
Yes. 135 videos.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Jaiye tó ti wá ibi tó fẹ́ lọ látijọ́ àtijọ́ ti break down sí ice cream cone àtijọ́ ti break down sí. Oh, you! Today is still young, guys. We'll put music on that. Press hello now. Don't go now. Tell it to my subscribers. Let me get more subscribers now.
When you see Temi, you see the camera.
Yeah, so comment. Leave the comment.
Are we supposed to post or we're supposed to just dance? Which one are we supposed to do now? Tell us.
This video, people are going on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Hello. Agege. Dance now, father. I see your face, Joe?
Good boy. And we have long tennis balls.
Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mo wá yà o, kò ń ṣe wọ o. Hello, yes, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber. Triple T.
Yes, I'm also on.
Tell me OJ. Tell me OJ, OJ.
Many things I don't try. I'm a boy, don't cry. Gas me up, no closer. Automatic money go. But to me, shut it low. To me, I know.
When I call up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground.